Kira and Hila prepare for their showdown, setting the stage for playful rivalry.
Ready to climb, Hila? Let's see if...
Kira, the bridge is falling apart. We need to act. Haha. Good luck saving that, heroes. I'll just... Kai, grab that panel, quick! On it!
Don't let go of the ropes! The bridge stabilizes just in time. A triumph against the odds.
You may have won this time, but next time, it is feathers over...
Thanks for sticking with us, everyone. Until next. See you soon, City Heroes. Stay bright out there.